Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all. How are you all? Are you fine? Okay. So today our topic is subtraction, one digit from two digit numbers. What's our topic? It's about subtraction, one digit from two digit numbers. So do you remember what's a digit? Okay, can you tell me? Can you write in the chat box? What's a digit? Can you tell me? One digit or two digits. What are these? In our face-to-face class, when we were doing addition sums, we have talked about this in detail. What's a digit? What's a single digit? And what are two digit numbers? We already have done all these things. Do you remember? Okay, write in chat box. Very good. Excellent. Now those who have not done in chat box, think. I will discuss this later. Let's move to the next slide. We have SLO for today and we have our objectives for today's lesson. So our SLO is subtract ones from two digit number. Ones from two digit number. Remember what? Ones from two digit number. So our objectives are children will be able to solve subtraction sums using concrete material. This we do mostly in face-to-face lessons. Recognize the steps while solving the problems. So we have certain steps which we have to keep in mind and we have to recognize and we have to follow them while solving sums. Solve subtraction sums of one digit from two digit number individually. Means we want each and every child to be able to do subtraction sums from two digits, and we want you to all to do subtraction sums ones from two digit numbers. Now remember what are ones and what is one digit number and what are two digit numbers and what are tens. You have to remember all these things which we have done while doing addition sums in our face-to-face classes. Come on, let's move. Here we have a slide where there are different numbers. So there are tens and ones. What are these? There are tens and ones, and we already have done this. See, in a 10, there is a complete group. For example, look at this bar. Here we have two tens. Okay, there are two bars of 10. Let's count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count the other bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, these two bars are complete tens. So we write here 2. Why we have written here 2? Because there are two tens. This 2 indicates that there are two tens. And here we have 3 loose boxes. See, we have written 3 here. See, these 3 are ones because these are not making a complete 10. So this is, which number is this? This is 2 and this is 3. It's actually a two digit number. It's 23. What's this? It's 23. See, 2 tens and 3 ones make 23. 2 tens and 3 ones make 23. Okay. So how do we write this in when we do subtraction sums? See, in vertically, what do we write? First, we write the number 23. Keep in mind the number 23. What first we do? First step is writing the number. After writing this number, what do? We put place value. Place value is ones and tens, and always we start from ones column. We start from, so what we do? We always start from ones column. First we write O. O stands for ones. O stands for ones. Then we put a T to the next number. T stands for tens. So we have three ones and two tens in number 23. After this, what do? Next step is putting the sign. Here see, because we are doing subtraction sum, so we will put subtraction sign here, minus sign. See, we don't put minus sign below the tens. We have here single number here. We are subtracting one digit from two digits. So we have only three ones. So we will write ones below ones. Okay. And we don't have tens here. So we will not write minus here. We will write minus here. Okay. And then next step is, what will we do? We will minus the number. See here 23. We have number 23 minus 3. This is, which form is this? This is horizontal form or horizontal way of doing sums. We have done this in addition, and likewise that in subtraction we will do the same. Okay, horizontally and vertically, both ways we will do. So here 23 minus 3 is equal to 20. Okay, we put a place value here as well. What will we do? We will write O on 3 and T on 2. Okay, so you know, when we subtract the same numbers, like when we subtract 3 from 3, then what will we get? Write your answer in chat box. Then here we have 2. We don't have anything to subtract from 2. Then what will we do? Let's see here. See, this is number 23. So when we subtract 23, 3 from 23, we get a number, that's number 20. See, this is the horizontal form and this is the vertical form. This is the vertical form. You have to keep this vocabulary in your mind as well. Come on, let's move to the next slide. If you keep in mind, if you have any question, write down the question, note down the question, and you can ask me later. Now, here is a worksheet. Now you have to do this worksheet in your copies, in a spread copy, in a rough copy. This is for your practice. I am giving you 5 minutes for this worksheet. You will turn on your cameras. I will see, and I will see this worksheet in your copies. You have to follow the steps. First write the number, then what will you do is, you will put the place value ones and tens, then you will put the minus sign, then you will write the next number which you want to minus from the bigger number, then you will do the sum. Okay, I am giving you 5 minutes. Let's start. Okay, so nice. Here we have another worksheet. This is also subtraction worksheet. Now practice this one. Practice this one. Okay, turn on your cameras. Turn on your cameras. Very good. I want everybody's participation. I want everybody doing this sum. I want everybody, you can copy down this in your in a page. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. I am very happy to see that most of the students are doing. Very good. Excellent. Very nice. Share your answers in chat box as well. I can see this. Very good. This is just for your practice. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Allah Hafiz.